In today's quick tutorial video, I will be teaching you guys how you can easily create a game pass on Roblox to use it on Please Donate game. So the first step you need to do is open Google Chrome. Now you need to search for roblox.com. After this, you need to click on create. Now you need to click on creation, which is right here. Now you need to click on here. And you need to scroll all the way to the passes. Now as you can see, I have many game passes right here. Now I will teach you guys how to create a game pass. So first step you need to do is click on create a pass. Now you need to name this pass. You can name whatever you like. Now you can write description, it's your choice. Now you need to click on create pass. As you can see, hello world, the pass just I created is now here. As you can see, it is off sale. Now you need to price this game pass. To set a price for this game pass, you need to click on this and you need to click on sales. Now you need to click on item for sale and you need to price this game pass. So for now I'm gonna price this game pass 10,000 Robux. Now you need to click on save changes. As you can see, pass updated successfully. This much for today's video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.